Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram inbox tidy on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete a chat on the Instagram app using the latest update for desktop. Whether you want to clear out old conversations or just organize your messages, these steps will make it simple. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're using a browser, just head to Instagram.com and log in as you normally would. Once you're on the main page, look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see a paper airplane icon. This is the Messages icon. Click on it to open your direct messages. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Scroll through and find the chat you want to delete. Once you've found it, click on that chat to open the conversation window. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll notice a small info icon, usually represented by a lowercase I inside a circle. Click on this icon to bring up more options for the conversation. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete Chat. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete this chat. This is your last chance to review, so make sure you've selected the right conversation. If you're certain, click Delete again to confirm, and that's it. The chat will be permanently removed from your inbox. Remember, this action can't be undone, so double-check before confirming. This is a great way to keep your messages organized and your inbox clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined messaging experience.